Welcome everybody to Wolf Street Eats. I am your host, the Wolf or the Wolf Counselor. This is the killer sub recipe that I came up with over the weekend. Since submarines have been circulating all over television and social media, I thought it'd be a good idea to just make this killer sub, no pun intended. I am new to the Blackstone Griddle community. This was a gift from my family, my wife and kids, over Father's Day weekend, and I've seasoned it over 5 times here. I really hope you enjoy this recipe, so here we go. For this recipe, I'm using these chicken tenders I got from La Costco. They're breaded chickens, really tasty. Threw them in this air fryer by Ninja. The number you see there is not accurate. I actually restarted it. Only did about 13 minutes at high heat. I use this Ninja not just for crisping things up, but also I use the pressure cooker for making rice and things like that. So I'll be posting those here shortly. I'm using this mac and cheese flaming hot Cheeto flavor. Very delicious. I was really surprised. I bought them for the kids and I ended up liking them. So here we are, adding that as some of the flavor. Using some Black Forest ham on these French breads I got also from La Costco. And I'm letting this cheese melt. I'm cueing the music now because my guest was really chatty. So enjoy this music here. Here's the avocado showing some love. Spread that bad boy. That avocado is so good. And then I'm putting the cooked Black Forest ham that actually tastes like the meat part of the bacon. I know it looks sloppy, but it's super tasty. That is pepper jack cheese I'm using. So now it's all meshing together. You've got your cheese, you've got your taters, you've got your ham, and now I'm going to start decking this bad boy with these bright red noodles. I'm sure that's good for your body. I'm sure all the sodium in this sandwich is very good for your blood pressure as well. And let's see what else I'm doing here. Oh, this is going to be the magic moment that I really enjoy. That is satisfying if I do say so myself. Adding the tomato slices. Next time I might dice them into tiny little cubes. Putting some lettuce so we can say that we did something healthy with this sub sandwich. Bam! Piling that other. This is the bottom side. Here's the top side of that sandwich. I'm trying to cut it with this knife. I should use a longer knife next time. Man, this was good. Here's my food taster right here. Let's see what he says. How is that?
Oh, no.
That good?
Not good.
Yeah?
Oh, good. That is good.
There you have it, my friends. The killer sub for such a time as this. Try the recipe out. Let me know what you think. What I will do differently next time is add some buffalo wing sauce. Drizzle it on like I did with the crema mexicana. Like and subscribe. Share this. I'm a new YouTuber. I love sharing my passion around cooking and food and feeding people. Thank you. Have a good night.